Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Hope you guys are all doing well. I know I have delayed the video this time too. This time I have got a strong reason to do. Not making any random excuses, okay? This is a strong reason. One such reason is that I had placements, so due to the placements and the placement classes and the practice and all, I was unable to make a video in between. Before getting into the excuses and reasons, let me wish you all a very happy new year. So this is our first video in 2021. So let this year be very good for you all. I wanted to tell you the other reason, which is I wanted to make something which is really different in the sense we have been till now in my channel I have been posting videos related to beauty, some informational one, and something like I think vlog too, right? One vlog too. So I'll be posting those kind of content too, but from now onwards our main niche will be my niche, which is computer science, which will be all the contents from now will be related to my niche. That is everything related to programming, coding, interview tips and tricks, everything I'll be posting in my video in my channel. So stay tuned for that. So before getting into today's video, let me all request you to please subscribe to my channel and please click on the like button as well as the share button, because sharing is caring, right? So do share with your friends too, and also do comment in the comment section how useful this video was for you. And now getting into the main topic, like main concept of today's video. Before getting into the video, so this time the content, everything, all the contents from now onwards, almost all contents, mostly, okay, sometime it might be even mine, because I might be posting vlogs too, so that is occasional. At times I might post some vlogs, still it is pending, I need to edit few, so once everything editing is over, I'll be posting those vlogs too. The main thing I want to mention is that this video, the contents in today's video and from now onwards in all the videos, the contents are provided by CloudTec IT Solutions. They are an IT-based, like service-based company based in Hyderabad. So they provide all the IT services like web development, app development, marketing, digital marketing, social media management, search engine optimization, software development. All many such services are being provided by them. So what specific about them is that what I would love to share about them is that they have got some great and beautiful packages for all those people out there. Maybe a student, maybe an entrepreneur, maybe a startup company owner, anybody. Startup company is an entrepreneur, but I'm mentioning it as like highly established MNCs or like enterprises or big companies or small companies, startups, any such companies. For them, CloudTec has brought in some great packages. They've got all the tech support for all you companies, all you students, all you individuals, and also for employees who would love to change or shift from the 9 to 5 jobs and who would love to plan for freelance work. For all of them, CloudTec is providing all the technical support. So coming to that, what is the technical support all about is that all these IT services. The best part about them, which I would love to mention, is that all these tips and tricks are provided by them, as I said already. So one thing which I should be mentioning is that they have started hiring some developers and all. So for their postings, if you wanna apply to them, or if you want to apply to any such company, these tips and tricks are more than enough. And especially for CloudTec IT Solutions, these, if you just watch my videos and if you just learn from this is more than enough. You can apply for them directly with confidence, so you'll crack the interview, I'm sure about it. So, and also the main thing I would love to mention is that the biggest highlight of CloudTec IT Solutions is that they have got some brilliant ideas for students in the sense they have got, like most companies think about how to provide some like how to develop a website. All these things will be given, right? All those IT services will be given. All they have to do is they have to identify their skills and they have to reach CloudTec IT Solutions and tell them that I have a passion and I would love to turn it into profession. That's the point in it, turning your passion into profession. So for that, CloudTec is providing all the technical support for all the students out there. And this is what I would love to highlight in them, what services they provide. So what students need to do is they have to just like, I'll be providing all the contact details below, okay? So you can even check out their website, and you can ping them on WhatsApp. Through WhatsApp they'll be accepting all the queries and all. So if you have a passion and if you would love to turn it into profession, you can just ping them and ask them that I have this skill, how should I turn it into profession, or some how should I turn this into a decent income earning profession. They'll give you all the tips and tricks, and they'll also help you, they'll also assist you in that, and I'm sure you'll be delighted with their packages and the way they explain it. They'll give you all the insights of how you will be benefited of all those. They'll provide you all the support. May you be a blogger, may you be a dancer, may you be a singer, anyone. If you have skills, reach out to them if you need any technical support. So as I said, if you are interested, ping them, and you don't need to worry about like what they will think, that it's a company, how should I tell them, what will they think about me. Like, you will have that hesitation, right? You need not hesitate about it. Just you can ask them directly, because they have got some student leaders who are specifically assigned for you guys, for you students, and they'll assist you. So you'll not be worried that, why am I'm talking to a professional and what will he think about me, or what will she think about me. You don't need to worry about all those stuffs. Else, a better idea, if you still feel don't have much confidence, ping me to my Instagram, Facebook, or Twitter, or through the comment section. You can ask me any such doubts regarding that. I'll be providing you all the details. So that's all about the introduction, and that's all about CloudTec IT Solutions. In the upcoming videos, I'll be telling more about their packages and more about how they will help you in shaping your career, because that's important, right? That's what you need in today's life. You need to shape your career, you need to bring out the best in you. So some people, some of my friends and some of my juniors have also asked me like how to turn or how to find out my skills. First of all, turning a passion into profession, before doing that, before turning it into a profession, you need to know what your passion is, right? So for that, most of my friends had asked me how to identify my skills. So I had recently made like 1 month back, I guess, I had done a webinar. I don't know if you might have attended or not, so let me just post that too in the next video. I'll be showing you how to identify your skills. So all those things will be posted from now on. So all those things which is related to you, which is related to your career, all those technical stuffs, everything will be posted from now on. I don't say that I'll not be posting something which is related to beauty or some product reviews or something like that. Depends on our mood, right? So if I go to a place suddenly and if I would love to make a vlog, I'll surely make a vlog. That's all. Let's move on to today's video. So before getting into today's video, the regular thing, please do subscribe, please do click on the like button, and please do mention in the comment section how much useful this video was. Also click on the share button, because sharing is caring, right? You need to share with your friends too. They should also know, they should also be aware of this. So one more important note is that I've provided all the links for contacting CloudTec IT Solutions, and as I said, they have job postings. If you want to apply, the link is in the description box, like the email ID is in the description box. So also my social media links are also in the description box. You can contact me, you can follow me even there too. So let's move on to today's video. Today's video is all about the in-demand technologies in 2021. These are the skills or coding skills, or these are the technologies you need to know in 2021 as a developer, as a student. So let's move on to the video.
So guys, as I told you, this is all about the coding languages which are in demand and which you must know in 2021. So as already said, this is sponsored by CloudTec IT Solutions, and let me just tell you that this is in the playlist Coding Made Easy. So you can access it from the Coding Made Easy playlist anytime from my channel. So let's move on to the video. The first thing, let me tell you that we are going to discuss in this video about the front-end development, back-end development, game development, as well as the mobile development. These are the 4 things which we will be discussing, and inside these things, like inside each topic which is front-end development or back-end development, I'll be discussing about all those technologies or languages which you must know in 2021 and which are trending this year or in upcoming years too. Let's move with the front-end development in the beginning. So this is the first thing which we are going to discuss, which is front-end development. So before getting into it, let me tell you what front-end development is all about. I'll be making a detailed video on it, but let me give you a gist of what front-end development is. It is what you see in the front in the sense the website. If you take a website, let's take a website as an example. If you take a website, let's take CloudTec IT Solutions website as an example. So if you take the website, the front end, the portion which you see, which you interact with, that is the front end. But whatever happens in the back end that is related to the queries or some PHP, all those things, PHP language is used for the back end thing. So for all those stuffs which happens in the back end, all those processes which happen, that is back end. So front end, back end, and many other features, all these together will be called as a full stack development. So I'll be making a video on it too, in order to make it very clear so that you can also be a full stack developer just like me. So in the front end development, let me tell you, these are the technologies that need to be used. JavaScript, top trending it is. Number 2 is TypeScript. Third is Angular.js, React.js, jQuery. This is the order in which we should place it. Angular is a JavaScript framework and React.js is JavaScript library. So that's the difference. All these are the best platforms you need to use. You can use for front-end development. I have used all these things, so I'll be also making a video on how to use this and what are the syntaxes and how can you learn it easily. So my current preference is React.js because I'm in love with React.js actually, because also React Native. Okay, so that's the best way which I have been using lately. I'll be discussing all this in the upcoming videos. The next thing, which is backend development. Backend, as I said, whatever data which needs to be processed in the backend, everything is written using these languages. The languages are Python, PHP, Java, JavaScript, and Scala. So you can use any of these languages for backend development. My first preference is always Python because Python is more easy than any language, and for me Python is more comfortable than any other. Now let's move on to game development. And for game development, if you're a die-hard fan of games, if you love playing games, let me just tell you, game developers have got great demand in the society, in the industry. So let me just tell you, if you know these languages, you can make a better game. You can make a game, you can plan a game and make it using these languages, and you can even get paid in huge numbers here, 6 figures or 7 figures. So that depends on the game and the type of the plan you have. So I have also made a game, I'll be giving in the description box. That's a Pygame. It's a set of modules that we use in the Python to develop games. So you can use Python, you can use C++. That's the number one, C++. Okay, then TypeScript, JavaScript, Python. Then you can use even Unity platform. Then comes the mobile development. In today's world, who doesn't use a mobile app, right? Who doesn't have a phone filled with apps? So for mobile development, the first number one language is Swift. Swift is for iOS development. JavaScript, because using JavaScript, many frameworks and all, you can make a very good mobile app. Next is Java. Java is used using the Android Studio. You can create in Java or Kotlin, you can create a very good mobile app. So the number 4 is React Native. This is number 4 according to the technology, but in my case, if you ask me personally, React Native is the number 1. So these are the mobile development technologies, and I would love to tell you that all these things, all these languages, you need not be proficient in all these languages. You just have to know, in front-end development, you can choose any one, which is say React.js, learn React.js, or learn JavaScript. Backend development also has JavaScript. Even mobile development has JavaScript. So you can see that JavaScript has a wide range of facilities, a wide range of application usage. So mostly learn JavaScript, and if you are into front-end development and all those stuffs. If you are into main development like software development and all, go for Python or Java or .NET or something like that. Okay, so if you're going for backend and all, go for Python, PHP and all. This is best, which I would suggest, which is easy to learn. So that's what I was suggesting. So hope you like the video. So do not forget to subscribe to my channel, and do share this with your friends, and do click on the like button, as well as share your comments in the comment section so that I'll be aware how much useful this video was. If you want me to make any such videos, any such coding tutorials, please do mention in the comment section. One more thing I would love to mention is that My course is now available on Udemy, so you can buy it anytime. It is WordPress from scratch, step by step, with hosting included. Why have I mentioned as hosting included in the sense? Because most of the courses does not include hosting. Hosting is something which is really important. There's a different way of hosting, and this will be much easier for you to analyze and understand. Like if you're not using a WordPress one, this hosting will be useful. Even if you're hosting creating a WordPress website, this will be useful. So both ways. Or even if you're developing a website using programming language or using WordPress, this way of hosting would be very useful for you. So do check it out. It's on sale now, so you can buy it from Udemy anytime. So if you want coupons, do ping me in my Instagram page or Facebook page, so I'll be responding to you. Do follow all my social media handles and do check out CloudTec IT Solutions handles. And as I said, they're hiring. If you're interested, you can send your resume to their email, which is careers@cloudtecitsolutions.com. Every detail, every link is in the description box. I have given every link to it. So please do check it out, and thank you so much for watching. We'll meet you in the next video.